In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create responsive table components with cell variants in Figma. Open your design so we can build everything right inside your current file. We'll start by creating a single flexible cell that we can reuse across the entire table. Add a text layer and type a simple placeholder so you can see the structure as you work. With that text selected, press Shift+A to wrap it in auto layout. In the right-hand panel, set your padding to 12 pixels vertically and 16 pixels horizontally. This gives your cell comfortable breathing room. To visually separate cells, add a bottom stroke as a subtle divider. Keep it thin so it reads as a table line without competing with the content. Now, select this auto layout frame and convert it into a component. This will be the foundation for every cell you use. Next, create cell variants so your table can handle different content types without breaking layout. Add variants for text, header, checkbox, and avatar. Use component properties to manage these. Setting a type control so you can switch the content style from a simple dropdown. If you plan for interaction visuals, include a state control for things like hover or selected, so the same component handles visual feedback consistently. For numerical data, create a dedicated variant with right-aligned text. This keeps numbers tidy in their column and makes scanning totals or metrics much easier. With the cell component ready, build a row. Duplicate the cell component across the canvas to create as many columns as you need. Then select those cells and press Shift+A to place them in an auto layout row. While they're selected, set their horizontal resizing to fill container. This tells each cell to share available space evenly as the row width changes, so everything stays aligned. Combine rows to form the full table. Stack your rows together and set the space between items to 0 so the bottom strokes form clean grid lines. This maintains a tight, table-like appearance and avoids visual gaps between rows. Make the table responsive by ensuring the main table frame also uses auto layout. Select all columns and set them to fill container so they flex together. Now test by resizing the table frame. As you drag, the columns should adjust their widths automatically while preserving padding, strokes, and alignment. Your header, text, checkbox, avatar, and numeric variants will adapt without manual tweaks, giving you a scalable, reusable table system. That's it. Thanks for watching.